Hello guys, this is Eric Day from ACS Learning Hub. Welcome back to my channel. Dobro jutro, Caro, nice to see you. Hi, MK, nice to see you. Thank you so much for coming in. All right, pound dollar is selling. Okay, yeah, all right. Thank you so much. Hi, Hubert. Hi, Sabrina. Thank you so much for coming in. All right, it's well, nice. Okay, so yep, we are back here once again. Thank you so much for coming back. Today is 22nd of January. All right, thank you so much, guys, for coming in. Right, so yep, okay, so we have a good week last week, and let's come back here today. Right, pound dollar. I'm actually looking at pound dollar to sell. Okay, right. So let's take a look. Okay, let's take a look here. I think pound dollar is actually still good for some selling over here. All right. Okay, and let's see if now it's actually on the selling side. Okay, there looks like the day, in terms of the day chart. Okay, we can see. All right, in terms of the day, we can see that it's actually also hovering around this area. Okay, for the past 2 months, from the bull is running and it went into a transition area. Will it actually break out of this to continue the bull, or will it actually transit into the bear market? Okay, so transiting to the bear market is one. Okay, and then after that, probably, okay, we are going to see more selling from there. Okay, all right. Okay, so yep, and tentatively, by looking into the pound dollar, we're looking into selling. Okay, looking into this area here, which we can see about 6 pips down into this area here. Total, we have about 17 pips, 17 pips. Okay, 17 pips. All right. Okay. Hi, Caro. Very nice logo. XNS. Wonderful. Okay. Wow, when I look at your logo and my logo, we look like brothers company. Okay, pound dollar is selling, guys, and okay, I think that is something. Okay. Okay. Well, okay. And pound dollar, I think we still be looking out into this area here by looking into 126,806, right? Okay, 106,806, which is about here. Okay, about here, around here. Let me see, to be exact, huh? Okay, so should be here. 126,821. 126,821. Okay. All right. Yeah, I made it public on Discord on Friday. Yes, I saw it. Wow, no, it looks professional. Yeah. Wow. Okay, so yep, and nowadays I think the design company will go bust because of all the AI designers. Am I right? Okay. Okay, so let's see. For the pound dollar, looking out into this area to take out this area. Okay, and now they have tested into this. We have been talking about this area for since last week, and now finally it's done up. For this area here, okay, I think this has been all done. So I see that there will be a good chance that they are actually looking into a lower price. Okay, so we are going to, there's an area here that it will need to be taken. Then another area down here, we still there, you know, it's still there. This area here, still there. Okay, so So looks like if this week is going to swing off, I think we have a very good chance of 85 pips down there. Okay, so still looking good. Still looking good. Okay. Right, guys, do remember to smash the like button for me, alright? Okay. Yep. It will be a very good motivation for me. Okay. Yep, and let's see. Okay. Alright, guys, I have an announcement to make. Okay. This coming Thursday, I won't be around. Okay. So this coming Thursday, I won't be around for the live streaming. Okay. So just this Thursday. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So that is a pound dollar. So we're looking into 126,821 selling off. So over here. Okay. So I'm waiting for it to actually break this level. This level is broken, and the selling comes in. So from here, I'll be looking into maybe there's another round, retest again to swing back. Okay, right. So there's a possibility there. Okay, this area here. So 127.11.3. So I think that would be a good one. Okay, so let's go with some market opening planning. Short-term target for gold is 2025-4. 2025-4. All right, let's see. First of all, I will take a look at here. Okay, once it touches, last week we discussed, Carol was discussing about with us about this area. 2037 to 2042 will be an area to start to sell off. Okay, indeed, boom, touches and came down. All right, so good. So 2025. So 2025 and 2025 4. 2025 4. Okay. Yep. Right. 2025 4. Then I guess yep. And we okay. Okay. Let's see. Okay. Is it this one? Right. And let's see. Let's see. Yeah, looks like 2025. 2025 4. Okay, the main sell zone is still 2032, 5 to 2036. Okay. So let's do this. Twenty 2032. 2036. Okay. Right. Okay, so this is the area. Okay. Okay, let's see. Right, okay. And 2009. Once I see 1981, I'm laughing already. I'm not laughing at you, but I'm laughing at the profits. Okay, so let's see. Okay, 20. Okay. 009. Correct. So this is the area, huh? 009 and buy from 2009 to 2011. Okay. After that, then meeting the zone of 2002. 2002, okay, 2002 is still there, and to 1981. 81 should be here. Okay. Okay, my zone is still here, so just leave it there first. Then let's create one more. 81 here. Two, 2002. Okay, yep, around there. The melting zone, huh? Okay, that's the melting zone. Okay. Okay, so generally, okay, let's take a look, overview. Right, so looks at this area here. Well, looking into this area here, 2032 to 36, okay, that's one level. A short-term target will be looking out into 25. Okay, then we also have we also be looking into 5, right? Okay, 5, 4. So around here. Okay. Okay, so looking into this area here, right? So tentatively, the buying is, it should be on the buy side to meet this target here. After that, then probably there will be another, the main selling zone, correct? The main sell zone will be around here, right? Okay. Yep. Okay. Yep. Okay. So like looks like the, let's see how, I think we should see how it reacts when it meet 2025, right? Am I right? Okay. Yep. Okay, so that is one. Okay, over at this point here. Then probably, okay, that's one. And maybe 1, 2, 4. Wow, I see something, over here. I think 2002 is very promising. 2002. 2002 is very promising. I see the selling structure actually comes in. To where one highs here being tested, the liquidity is my voice breaking up? Is my voice breaking up? Mic test, mic test. Not sure if it's the voice. Uh, Mic test, mic test. Twinkle, twinkle, little star. Okay. I have a feeling like, okay, when we touches 2025, okay, and sometimes when we touch, the honesty is too much. Okay. Oh, okay, it's perfect. All right, thank you, MK. Thank you. Okay. So let's see if the price touches 2025 here, then we will see how it goes. Let's see how much is the honesty. Okay. All right. I don't know why I've been singing this song recently. And sometimes when we touch, the honesty's too much, and I have to close my eyes and hide. When I sing this, you know what? it always remind me of when I was trading. Okay. Oh, when it touches, okay. There's a lot of truth within these areas or these areas, okay. And after I enter a trade, I have to close my eyes and hide myself so that I don't have emotions stirred up. Okay. So if you are holding your losses, right? Okay. No, usually what will be the sentence that will come along? I wanna hold you till I die, till we both break down and cry. Okay, nonsense. Okay. Okay. Just a little joke, huh? Yeah. The guy comes in just for your voices will be happy today. Really? Oh yeah. Okay. Yeah, that's for the goal. Okay. Okay, let's talk about this the Bitcoin. Right, the Bitcoin. Alright, Bitcoin, yep, still looking downwards to 48,448. Yeah. Alright. Hi, Jermaine Jackson. Oh my god, it has been a long time. I miss you so much. How are you? Good morning to you. Wow, miss you so much. How have you been? I hope your trading is good. Alright. If I didn't remember wrongly, you're in US, am I right? You're in US. Okay. Wow. Okay. Right. So yep. You never blow a kiss to me. Okay, I blow many. Mwah, 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 mwah. Okay, so yeah, for pound dollar right now, okay, it's going with our plan. We are looking to pound dollar to meet 127, 113. Okay, so just hang on, be patient to wait for the selling area. Okay. Yes, I miss you too. I'm fine, my friend. Good to hear from you. Oh, thank you so much. Really, thank you very much. Oh, it's really a great community over here. Well, the greatest benefits that I have over here, it's all about all of you here. Really, I'm so happy to see all of you. I'm getting too excited. Overwhelming. I mean, I'm overwhelmed when I see all of you here. Okay. Right. Okay. So yep. Today is Monday. So after the weekend, I guess there's plenty of movements that we still haven't seen anything yet. So be patient. All right. So today, as for the calendar wise, we are moving quite steadily. This week is quite quiet, except for all the PPIs. As we know, after US have the PPIs, US have the CPI and PPI, followed by all the rest. We'll also have their PPI. So this week we also have all the PPI coming along. Okay, so just need to pay attention to where we are going. Okay, for example, today nothing. Tomorrow we will have some Japan, okay, and BOJ, okay, tomorrow morning. So try to avoid all the yen pairs first. Then CPI for the Kiwi, and coming along PMI, not PPI, PMI for the euros, okay, PMI for the pound, okay, all these, all right. Okay, congratulations. Wow. Congratulations. Well done. XNS. Okay, let's take a look. I guess, okay, 2025. All right. So this is the point. Okay. This is the point. All right. Okay, well done. Very good. Wow. Okay. Congratulations, Carol. Nice. Very good. It always hits the price. So guys, as for the goal wise, okay, we have plenty to learn from Carol. Okay. Great Cheryl. Okay, nice. Very good. Okay, so from here you can see this is the support setup. Nice entry. It should be around here, right? It should be around here. Okay, good entry here. That's one good entry here. In fact, there's one entry over. Nice entry over here. This candle within this 1020. Okay, right, beautiful. Okay, so that's beautiful. All right. Okay, yeah. Oh, hi Yue Ting. Thank you so much, Yue Ting. First time I hear you singing. Yeah. Pardon me, guys. Some may think that I'm not serious, but just keep it relaxed. Okay. All right. Okay. You ask me if love you, and I choke on my reply. Okay. All right. Nice. So now looking into, and let's see if the goal is actually now we are touching. Okay. We are touching, and sometimes when we touch 2025, okay, so let's see what will the reaction will be like, okay, over at this 2025. Okay, then we will see what we are going to do. All right. Okay, come back here. Yes, pound dollar, right? Pound dollar over here, right? Okay, yes. Pound dollar. Hi, Sandy, right? Right. How do I pronounce your name? Yara Domo Sandy. Thank you for coming in. Where are you from? Thank you so much. We love to make friends here. Okay, so yes, I'm waiting to sell pound dollar. My target price will be 126.821. 126.821. Okay, so I'm waiting for some trigger around this area here, about around one. Sorry, I can't. Yep. About around 127.113. Okay, 127.113. Okay, so looking to have some selling there, right? But tentatively, looks like the selling is still ongoing. Right, looks like the selling is still ongoing. So, then before it's going to start for another round of selling, highly likely most of the time it should be looking out for another resistance to sell. Right, so this area here, as we can see, there's a lot of upper wicks here. Okay, there's a lot of upper wicks here. So probably we can see there's one area here that this area of resistance is there. Okay, so if this is going to sell off now, okay, from my chart I have a gap here. So looks like they are actually trying to fill up the gap over into this area here. So probably you may be looking out into, like say from now on you have about 10 pips. So 10 pips wise, you may be is actually more or less looking into a scalping. Okay, it's more on the scalping side. All right. Yep. As for the goal wise, yes. Okay, let's see. All right. Let's see if price break 50 EMAs, what could lead to create daily high to our zone 2032.5 to 2036. So it's around here. Okay, so probably if this is going to set up a support above the 2025, I see okay. I mean, if you are, you're looking into 2032.5 then 2036. When the price actually achieved 2025 here, I will be looking into, yeah, some retracement is possible. Then after that, we'll set up a support to go above 2025. Okay, support should come about around this 2025 to go further up. If there is 2025 here, the support, okay, then likely we'll go for that if we are using support and resistance theory. Okay, but EMA, okay, 2025 is the 50 EMA, am I right? Okay, so we are looking into 2025 8. Okay, 2025 8 of the EMA is 50. Okay, so we can look at this area here, okay, which is at the M30. If I'm not wrong, it should be on the M30, the next 30 minutes. Okay, so we can take a look at this. All right, provided it breaks above. Okay, provided it breaks above. Right, so when it breaks above, most of the time, likely you will see in M5 support will created. Support will created to go further up. Okay, yeah, that's for the goal. Okay, so am I right? Is it M30? You're looking at M30, Carlo? For if price break 50 EMA, it could lead to create a daily high to our zone. All right, so that is that's one. Okay, yeah. Okay, so for pound dollar, right? Pound dollar, yeah, it's still around there. If you are selling for pound dollar, if you're going to sell down now, okay. Oh, you're from Germany. Ah, thank you so much for coming in, Germany. Guten Morgen. Am I right? Guten Morgen. Okay. All right. I'm sorry. I'm trying to learn. Okay. All right. I'm from Singapore. Nice to see you here. Thank you so much. Okay. So I think we have about 6 to 7 hours of difference right now. Okay, 6 hours of difference. Okay, so yeah, for pound dollar, I'm still looking. I'm selling to 126.821. Is from the highs here, creating another lower highs, selling off here. So it stops here. The reason behind each time when it stops, I will always look at from the left side. You can see there's a support here. Okay, there's a support here. So they are trying to break the support. Okay, they are trying to break the support over at this point. So when it actually has support over up here, I am actually looking into going further up to 127.113 area, then creating more space to sell down. Then I will be going for another selling if the resistance comes in again. Okay, so this is the area. So this is the area to 126.821. I'll be looking into that area to take my profits. Then after that, will it continue to sell off? Then we will see how it will be like, okay, before we take action. Okay, so that is one. And why am I waiting for this is because it's actually selling down near to a support now. So selling theory, we sell at the resistance. Okay, buying theory, we buy at the support. So right now it's trying to break. If we are selling off now, we belong to the groups of traders trying to break the support. So I never want to try to break the support because my lot size is very small. Okay, it will not affect the market. So I will wait for the big boys to affect the market by creating more space down. Okay, and looking in a way that they are going somewhere to take out some of the liquidity, or they are going somewhere to create a support. Okay, so on the way when they are doing something, I will take my profit from there within that area. Right. So for example, if they are going to take this opening, Right. So on the way, yeah, I will be selling down to take this. All right. So before it hits this, I will exit my trade to realize my profits. That's what I meant. Okay. All right. Yeah. Feel free. Yeah. Feel free to share. We are here not to challenge who is better. We are here to all of us here to share. All right. So just feel free to share your opinions. Okay. I may not be right as well, because sometimes I hit my SL. Okay. Yeah. So I'm a scalper and I'm also very conservative traders. All right. I'm a seller. So yeah, sometimes if you are going for the buy, if I'm talking about selling, then you avoid buying, and if you are both sides, then you can go on the selling as well. Okay. Yeah, so that's the wonderful part of this community, where you see many people many of us here will be sharing. Okay, yep. So we can learn from each other. Okay, that's the purpose of this community. Okay, so yep, and by looking into this area here, right? Generally, I'm still waiting for the pound dollar to break 126.106. All right, to go into this area that I want to see a selling. From the bull, we are transiting into the bear. Okay, we are transiting into the bear. All right, so that is one. Okay, yep. Go to Morgan. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh, Good morning. Is it the meaning of how are you? Or have you taken your breakfast? Oh, oops. Oops. Okay. I need translation. Okay, so yep, but thank you. I would love to see. Okay. Yep. Right. And oh, I'm good. How are you? Am I right? Yep. Okay. I don't know how to pronounce that, but I would love to learn that. 你好. Carol, 你好. That's Mandarin, huh? 你好. Okay. Yep. Yeah, and okay, and nice, Sandy. Really. Sorry, should be Yara Domo, right? Yara Domo. Okay. Oh, thank you so much. Thank you so much. I'm happy to see you here as well. I'm happy to see you here too. All right. I hope you subscribe to our YouTube channel and come in every day. We'll be here every day. Okay, in this community. All right. Thank you very much. Thank you so much. All right. Yep. I speak Mandarin. Carol, you speak Mandarin. Okay. Yeah. Yara Dono. Right. If I hope I pronounce it correctly. Yara Dono. Yeah. Okay. Yes, Hubert. Yeah. Hubert is also from Germany. Yeah. Oh, F-U-U-U-U-U. Guys, you know what? F-U-U-U, it means, it's in Mandarin. It's a way to express the blessings. It's sending blessings. Okay. We always make fun of these words, right? Okay. All right. So all the Chinese here already know our style. Okay, for pound dollar, seems like they are stopping at the support. They are stopping at the support. Let's see if there's a chance to break this support. If it breaks this support to close right below, then let's wait for another resistance to sell off again. Okay, so we may have another zone. All right, we may have another zone over here. If this breaks below, okay, if this close below, it may retest back into this area here of 126,970. Then after that, another round to sell off. Okay, for about 14 to 15 pips. Okay, Alternatively, it may reclaims back. As you can see, one big candles here. It may reclaims back to this area. Then the selling may comes back again. Okay, right? But situation may change. Just now earlier on, I was saying that we may reclaim back. Then we can sell down from 127,113 down to 126,821, right? But situation changes along the way. As for example, okay, we can see now they meet up with the support and it actually stopped here, right? So let's say it did not break. Let's say it goes up, further up. Let's say it goes further up, all right? Then that means to say the support is here. So when we sell off, we can only look out for this area. So this is the zone, okay, with about also 14 pips, okay? So it's about 14 pips as well. So total 28 pips. So it's like a midfield, okay? So we have to stop. There are some midfielder here, all right? So we may, if there's a chance to sell down, we may want to take profit from in this area. Then if there's another, you can do a few ways. One, take a profit before it hits 126,970. Alternatively, do not set TP, and when it comes here, if it breaks further, hold it, let it go down furthermore to get more pips. Okay, right? If it actually still set up the support, then you cut the profit. Okay, then you take the profit manually. All right. So if you are there, if you're sitting in front of the PC, yes, you can do that. All right. Okay. So that's one of the plan we are looking at. So this looks like it's trying to break below, right? To take these gaps here, to fill this gap. Okay. So it looks like it's also quite promising, right? So probably after it filled up these gaps, it may retrace back. Okay, from here. Okay, if this filled up, then it may retrace back to create another lower high. From the lower high, it form a resistance, then the selling off will come down, will come in. Okay, all right, yeah. Okay, so that is one of the area here. Okay. Okay. Oh my God. Okay, so let's see. All right, over here. Right, so seems like it's still pushing here and there. Okay, so let's see if this is coming to take this to fill up this gap here. Fill up this gap here. Okay. All right, let's see. Okay, yes. Okay, so you see it's filled up, right? Now this area filled up already. So what's next? Retrace backwards. Okay, so retrace backward. Okay. สวัสดีครับสวัสดีครับวิวกินข้าวเหนียวไหม 你好吗 안녕하세요 yeah, we have yes, thank you very much. Okay, right, wonderful, Matthew. GUTP, very good, congratulations, well done. I was about to ask. Okay, I was about to ask. All right, fantastic. Nice. Okay, yep. All right, very good. Okay, so your GUTP, I think there's another lower highs this area. they hit it. Okay, so I think you have entered here, right? Okay, well done, well done. Okay, so let's see if there's another chance for another area, this area here. Okay, but of course, looks like this has broken. Okay, so probably, okay, it may be retesting this area to sell down again. Okay, for those that taken the profit, I think earlier on, the earlier entry. Okay, right. So yep, just bear with it if you have not entered like me. Okay. Yeah, I was busy setting up the live streaming and I didn't enter the trade. Okay, so yep, and let's see if this if that works for everyone. Okay, so take it easy, take it easy. Okay, for those who have entered and still holding the trade, like Sabrina, for the pound dollar, Sabrina is holding on the trade. Okay, so perhaps you want to continue to hold it to 126,821. Once again, like I said, the support level is like is an area, correct? So like it's like a burning ground. The flame is up there. So when it comes near to the flame, you may feel the heat on your butt, and you may feel you may so it may bounce back. So just be careful with that, huh? Okay. Okay. Yeah. So yep. And let's see. All right. Okay. Yes, Caro. Let's take a look. Caro is showing us the pound dollar. Okay, in the Discord channel. All right. So if you have a Discord, you can join our channel as well. The link is below the description. Okay. Yep. Wow, your plan. Excuse me. Oh, who is missing me, man? Okay, sorry, I had a sneeze. Okay, so yep, pound dollar. If you are looking into this, yeah, just now, yep, are looking into this area here. Okay, if this is going to break this level, we're going to sell off. Okay, there's one more level here. Then after this level, we're going to look out for another level. All right, which is going to be here. Right. So yeah, this is what we are looking out for. Okay, this is what we are looking out for. All right. Yep. Okay. So hopefully, yeah, to see more, to come more. Okay, then where to hit that target so that we can go on for more selling down here. Okay, down here. We have been. I think last week we talked about this, right? Okay, we are looking into this 61 pips here, and then if this continue, I'm going to look out for this. Okay, I'm going to look out for this about 171 pips down there. Of course, this is the general. When it comes to this area, then we'll start to plot out all the relevant supports level. Okay, all right, wonderful. Okay, we are coming in. Pound dollar, continue the selling. We are taking out 126,821. Looks very new, very near. Okay, thank you, Caro. Thank you, Caro, for sharing it in the Discord. Right. So, yeah, pound dollar. They are still selling off. Very good. Okay. Right. Fantastic. Fantastic. Good. Okay. So, what's more? What's next? What's any more to go? Okay. Let's see. Let's see. Hopefully more to go. Take out 126,281. 821. Sorry. Okay. If there is a chance. If there's a chance. Come on. Okay. Yep. Right. And let's see. Okay. Let me see. Okay, still going good. Right. And what's next to go? Okay, yep. If EU and GU melts, then the gold will follow. Aha. Oh, 2025, it hits and it started to sell off. Yep, over here. Looks like it's actually still melting down. Like still melting down. Correct. Well, then let's be patient to see if there's any of the pullbacks to for us to for, for us to sell down the gold. Okay, I think that's pretty good in a way, and we can see that. But of course, not now. Okay, if you are going to sell off now, it's going to chase the low, which is not advisable. Okay, which is not advisable. Okay, so just hang on first. 2015 44 to 2009. Okay, yeah, right. The H4. Let's take a look. Okay, 2015 should be around here, right? This area, this one. Okay, and yeah, yep. Okay, wow. It looks so juicy with. It looks very juicy when it comes to what. Right. Yes, DJ play that song. What song? Sometimes when we touch, the honesty too much. And I have to close my eyes and hide. Okay. Come on, come on, come on. Okay. Okay. I thought I recently I don't know why I fell in love with this song. So interesting. I find that it can relate so well with your forex trading. Okay. Yep. Okay. 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 Yep. Get low. Get low. Get low. Get low. Yep. Okay. Come on. And at this point of time when we are getting low, I think we should use another song to play along with it. Push it harder. A la 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 long, a la 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 long long le long long long. Okay, so looks like we have this area of 2020 58 here, a big challenge here. I think looks like okay. We can see from M30. Okay, this area here. Once it breaks it, and that should be a good chance to go further down. Huh? Am I right? Yeah. Okay. So let's see the pound dollar. Pound dollar seems like stopping at this area here. Right? Will it actually push it back to form another lower highs, then push it down again? Okay. This is what I'm waiting for. Okay. Yeah, come on. Allah la la long. Yeah. I guess I guess I guess if I'm not wrong, okay. Carol, I think you have a trade in 1040, correct? 1040 hours. Yeah, 1040 hours. you have a trade that's selling off. 1040 hours here, right below, or maybe even 1035, right below this EMA here. I'm not sure. I'm guessing. Okay. Okay, so come back here again, right? Pound dollar. We are still looking good. It depends very much on how this candle is going to close. H1 is closing too, right? Yes, I'm having live streaming every day unless I'm out. Okay. Usually I'll be here every day because I'm a full-time trader. I have to trade as well. Yeah, so just come in and trade with everybody together. All right. Yes, I will be here. Yeah. Okay. So, oh, I'm not in. Okay. So you're waiting. You're not in yet. So you're waiting for it to break that area. Right. I think you're waiting to break 2015, if I'm wrong. You're waiting for 2015, am I right? 2015? No, I think 2015. No, not yet. Get low, get low, get low. Uh-huh. Waiting for H1 to close. Oh, I see. Okay, okay. Yeah. Yeah. That's a good point. Okay. Usually when we come to H1, H4, okay, all these are the critical moment. Okay. I usually I don't enter trade during these few minutes when the H1 or H4 is opening, especially H4. Okay, especially H4. Yeah. Okay. Well, pound dollar, are we going to pull back? Oh yes, we are going to pull back. Okay, let's see if this pullback is going to meet out another resistance over at this point of 126.97 area. If another resistance to form down, to form for a selling, then we have about 14 to 15 pips to capture. Okay, right. Yeah. Generally, let's see. Okay, generally, we have the. I think earlier on we have the profits taken, right? Okay, profits has taken. Okay, so stay cool for the next one. Right, Matthew, if you can hear me. All right. Okay, so just wait. Be patient to wait for the next one. Yep. Hmm. Patient. Yep. Ah. Okay? We can see that for pound dollar, okay, the beginning of the day has a good swing up. Why am I looking out for the selling? Is because we have come to a key levels. Okay, the key levels of H4 over here. Okay, this area here, it has been fulfilled. It has all have been fulfilled over here. Then when the H4 open with it started with open with this resistance, a green gray candle coming down. Looking downwards to all the H1 to M5, we are closing down with resistance, creating lower highs. Seems like over here we are actually looking for selling to take these areas of to take this liquidity. So that's where we are looking out for the selling. When the M5 is actually creating another round of lower highs, we take note whether is it near the support. Okay, if it's near the support, don't enter first. Let's wait for it to break and retest the support, making sure the support has become a resistant. All right, then after that, that's where we start the selling off. Okay, all right. Yeah, so that is the one of the way. Okay, that is one of the thing that I'm looking out for this pound dollar today. Okay, right. So that's the one. Okay, so I'm actually looking for that. Right. Yeah. Okay. So yes, Tanacon. Wow, Tanacon. Now, yep. Huh. What is this? Pound dollar. Okay, so over at this point here, you're looking at pound dollar as well, 4 hours. Okay. Tanacoin is selling in the, is sharing with us in the Discord channel. Okay, so you can join our Discord by clicking the link below this description box in the YouTube channel. And we can see that there's a few, oh, okay. Okay, so the low, right? The high 12714. Okay. So you are looking into 126791 to 126788. Am I right? It should be around there, huh? Correct. Huh? I think so. Okay. Okay, so let's see. 791, which is about this area. Okay, so it should be around this area to take out the lows here, huh? The day low here. Okay, tested, rejected. We can see some rejections from 126.97. Is that a sign of selling? Okay, so we're looking into the price action. Okay, look carefully to the price action. Uh-huh. Right, so that is one. Okay, H1 has closed. Let's take a look at H1. All right, so H1 closure over here, which closed nicely. Okay, with this candle, it closed this way, is a nice closure. All right. Then now what we are going to look out for is that will there be a resistance for us to sell? Okay, by looking into a smaller time frame. When I'm looking into a smaller time frame is actually because I want to see what is happening in the current situation. Okay, so that's why I'm looking into a smaller time frame. Right. Okay, so the pound dollar, yeah, as we can see first in here, the resistance, one touch, second touch, okay, and it got rejection. Okay, so it got rejections here. So can I say the resistance is there? There are sellers over here waiting to sell off. Okay, but is it very strong? Is it very strong to push even lower? Okay, so unless it form a resistance, okay, it's like this here, green, red, red, green, red, red, green, red, red, correct? Okay, green, red, red candle. Okay, then after that we will see if there is a chance for us to continue the selling. Okay, yep, right. So yeah, that's one. Okay, right. So let's see. Okay, currently don't seem like there's any, and buying is still ongoing as we can see the rejections here. You can see the rejections here. The rejections maximum you only go to this level. Okay, so we still have the sellers are not strong enough. I can, with this kind of movement, I can tell you that I can say that from my judgment is that sellers is not strong enough. Sellers are not strong enough. All right. Okay, from the same level here. Okay, from the same level of this candle here, the push down to this level. But when it comes back to the same level here, it only managed to push to this level. So in a way, okay, sellers are getting lesser. Okay, sellers are getting lesser. All right. So by by this, no selling yet. Okay, not going to take any selling yet. Right, not going to take any selling yet. So just hang on first. Okay, just hold on for a little while and see how it goes. All right. Okay, so wait for a little while and see whether it will actually form up any resistance to go for the selling. Okay, right. Okay, guess what? Oh, I thought the MT4 hang on me again. Whenever it comes to this timing, it always hang. The 5 minutes after the H1 opening. Okay. I hope it will not today. Okay, keep it going. Alright, keep it going. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Well, okay, so let's see. Okay, for this area over here. Well, if that let's assume, let's don't I mean let's not use the word assume. Okay, probably we use another term. Okay. If this is going to break above, then I shall wait for this to happen. It's still this area. It is going to be this area. Okay. Okay, let me change this from the red to the green. Right. Hi, Maher. Nice to see you here, Maher. Nice to see you. Okay, thank you so much. Hello, how are you? Okay, so this one. Okay, so we see that there's one. You break it out, and then have a little bit here. Okay, fine, that's good. Well done, well done. Very good. Good to hear that. Okay, yeah, yeah. How about me? Of course, I'm good when I see all of you here. You know, every weekend I'm suffering because I miss all of you so much. 你好. Oh, Taro, I'm gonna bring you to China one day. Let's meet up in China. uh, yes, Damon, hack your account now. I think he's busy. I think he's busy with some chicks out there. Uh, okay, so recently he becomes very loving. You know, he has a he like he like little chicks. So he has to feed them very often, play with them. uh, okay, let's take a look at the goal. What about the goal? All right, the goal is retracing upwards now. Okay, retracing. It's not breaking this support yet. Correct. It's not breaking this support yet. So probably, yeah, probably. Something over here that I need to do to ensure some stability. Okay. Right. Yep. To fill the H1 week of 2026 up there, this one over here. Okay. 2026. Okay, over here. For a moment I saw something, the FVG. That's over at this point here. Maybe 2028. 2028 there. The fair value gaps here. And maybe a chance that you're going to fill up this and create a resistance up here at 2028. 2028. Yeah. Okay. That's what I see. That's what I see. Okay. Yes, Sabrina. Yeah, pound dollar coming along with this resistance. Is it still one. Now I think I will have to wait for a little while. It's actually coming to this area here and still has not really formed up. Still have not really formed up one. Okay, be careful because when it comes to this above this support, right? Okay, it breaks above and this is a support. Now it becomes a support, right? By looking at this, the angle should be looking at support. Okay, then you see with this structure here, there's a mini inverse head and shoulder is forming. The left shoulder, inverse head, inverse left shoulder here. So it may be an inverse head and shoulder for a temporary buyout. Inverse head and shoulder in M5 don't really works that well. Okay, but the thing is that okay, it may be a sign for a short-term retracement, a short-term buyout. Okay, then it all depends whether it will break this resistance area, right? If it doesn't, then it may comes back here right again. So with the coming back here again, then it's a bit different because since the inverse head and shoulder has set up, then the inverse head and shoulder area, this area here will become a support. So same thing, you only have about 14 to 15 pips of space to trade during this area. Alright, so you need to pay attention to how this is formed in terms of the structure. If you are using a structure, okay, right, okay, so that is one way. Okay, right. Okay, so over here, as for the goal wise, okay, let's see. As for the goal wise, looks like it's still pumping up to 2026. Right. Anyone is going to put in a buy? Carol, will you put in a buy now? Put in a buy. Will you put in a buy for the goal? Okay, a good quick scalping should be here. I think only 5 to 6 pips. No lah, I think no lah. Right, okay. Yep. Will you put in a buy? I'm asking a question. Yeah. Will you put in a buy to mid 2026 up there? Since that they have tested the support down here, over here. Okay, as you can see, these two candles just now, when it comes down, it stopped right here. Am I right? Okay. So will that actually be a support to push to 2026? Right. But this is not I mean, there is no entry yet. To me, there's no entry yet for the gold. Okay. Right. For pound dollar, let's take a look back. Okay. So looks like you see, it touches this. Can you see this candle? Okay. Can you see this candle? Right. It went down, touches, and get rejected up again, and looks like it's telling us, yeah, support is there, buyers are there. Now don't touch, don't sell. Okay, right. So it may comes back down here again. Okay, there may be some traders may be thinking, selling is coming again, but they've forgotten about the structure. They may be coming down to form the inverse head and shoulder and then boom up again. So those sellers will fall into the trap. Okay, so just be very, very tactful when you come along with this type of structure coming along, surfacing. So we got to be a little bit careful. Okay, we got to be a little bit careful with this. Right? Okay, so yep, guys, I'm sorry. Let's go. Keep it all. Okay, let's go to keep it all. Toilet break. Okay, 5 minutes. Okay, 3 to 5 minutes. I will be right back. Okay. Okay. Yeah. And let's see if we can come back before any actions. Okay, let's go to the key bell. All right, Carol. Yeah, Carol just shared something. Okay. Right. Okay, hang on. Let me go to the key bell. Okay, a bit full. Okay. Okay, see you guys in a short while. All right, thank you so much. Hello guys, I'm back. Thank you so much for your patience. Okay, Carol was sharing something in Discord as well. Yeah, okay. So and over here, yes, over at this point, right? You can see it touches this area, maybe looking out into your M3 area. Okay, and well, okay, 2030, okay, to 2035 area, huh? Yeah, I think are likely, right? Very likely, right? Okay, for pound dollar over here, as we can see, pound dollar has boom up. Okay, it went up. Let's see if 120. Oops, sorry. Okay, let's see if 127,118 is able to hold it as a resistance. Then we will look out for this area. This area has created one new area to sell off. Okay, so looks quite promising as well. Okay, so let's see. Let's wait and see. Okay. Gold is still on the buy side now, floating up. Yeah, we're looking at M30, whether it will take 2026 area. Okay, this area here. Yep. Okay. Yes. Hi, JJ. Nice to see you. Yeah, I missed out the message. All right. Yeah, who is singing? I'm the one who's singing. Okay. All right. And yep. Okay. So yep. Right. So it just came back from Kibel. Okay, and we have some of you capture some of the pound dollar here. Sabrina and Matthew and the rest. Okay. Well, let's see if let's see. We are looking into 127,118 to 113 area here to sell for the pound dollar down to 126,821. Okay, but not forgetting if the inverse head and shoulder did not surface. Okay, so well, it's still looking at this area as a support. So from here, we still have about 14 to 15, and down there 14 to 15, about 28 to 30 pips to go. Right, if there's a resistance to sell off, if the selling off comes, okay, then we may have a good chance to sell off from here to this area, and you can sell off without the TP. If this is going to break below, continue to hold it down. Okay, continue to hold it down. If not, then you can cut the profit manually. Okay, right. Okay, okay. So that's one. Right. I have a call from UK. Let me answer and see who's the one calling me. Okay. So you see, somebody's calling me from UK, guys. Right. So hang on. Let me answer this call. Yes. Hi. You get the right person. Okay. He hang up the call. No, she hang up the call. Okay. So forget it. All right. Yes, you're back. Lighter and stronger. Okay, let's see if the pound dollar able to sell off now. Okay, looks like pound dollar is selling off. Hang on, looks like this is only a pullback. Let me see. Okay. Yep. Yes, impressive to hear you got some discipline flowing through your veins. All right, so let's wait. Let's wait. Okay, this may be a pullback, huh? This may be a pullback. So hang on first. Right, so we have about 5 minutes to go. M30 is going to open, and with these M30 candles, we are going to see where. No, we have about 30 minutes to go. H4 is going to open. When H4 is going to open, then sometimes it may change what is supposed to move. Then after that, after one big round, then it will start to come back once again. Yeah. Okay. But this area is very good. This whole area is very good. Okay. Right. Yeah. So it may be creating another higher lows here. It may be creating another higher lows here. Okay. Why is it stopping here? Let's see. It has not filled up all this area yet. So 127, 118 is still highly possible. Correct. Possible. Let's wait for a little while. Okay. Yep. Let's have a drink, man. Okay. Okay, let's wait and see. Don't sell now. Don't sell. Cannot sell. Cannot sell. Right. Okay. Cannot sell now. No good to sell. This is not a good selling point. Okay, this is not a good selling point. Hang on. We still have a little bit to go. We still have a little bit to go. Yep. Right. Hi, Christopher. Nice to see you from Hong Kong. Yep. I just got back yesterday, and today is my first day on trading, and you are coming to the end, I guess. Yes, you're right. Okay, yes, thank you. I forgot to on my cam. Okay. Right, so let's see. Tentatively, let's see. We don't have any yet. Yeah, hang on. I'm waiting for it to reach this area. It has not filled up this area yet, so I'm still waiting. Okay. Yeah. Please go on. Please go on. All right. Okay. Yes, there's plenty to go. Yeah, plenty to go. Still a lot to go. Okay. Hang on first. Okay. Oops. Okay. Relax. Okay. Okay. Hang on. Yet. Okay. 1 minute to go. Yeah, we have survived through for the past 4 minutes. We have 1 minute to go. Okay. So let's see if there's M30. How is this M30 closure is like? Will it be a way that is actually taking out all this selling volume here? And M30 has opened. Well, looks okay. Like they are coming down to take certain level here. We have only about 5 pips. We only have about 5 pips if this is going to sell off. Okay, 5 pips only. It's not even enough to cover the spread. Okay, if you want to take 5 pips, it's exactly 5 pips. So you have to take into consideration about for the spread as well. But highly likely we can look at this area here. Okay, where this area here, okay, it looks like it's going to form a higher support, a higher lows to push even higher to see if they can break this level. Since they have already get into the level here. Okay. Well, if this is going to go for a lower low, the action here looks pretty. I don't see this. This area is a very good area for the selling from to here. If we are taking this, we have about 18 pips. Okay, 18 pips. Thus, they have created this area, but The area has been created. That is one point. The next point is that what we are talking about is there a good entry for the selling? Okay, is there a good entry for the selling? Yeah. So if there's a good entry for the selling, then we can go. If not, even the space is there, then we have to wait for a golden opportunity before we go. All right. Okay. So we also need to pay attention to this area here. Right. Yeah. Okay. But if you, I mean, if you're good at scaling down, I mean, okay, to get this profit here, of course you can go. Okay. That, I mean, I'm just speaking my thoughts. Okay, I'm just speaking my thoughts here. Right. Uh-huh. Okay, so selling of this area here looks like M15. No, for me, no. Okay, I rather wait. I rather wait for it. I rather wait for it. Yeah. Okay. So I rather wait for a little while. Although the price action here showing selling. Yes, the price action here is showing some selling here. Right, but this selling can be short term. Okay. I think maximum probably will be looking into this area here. 126992. 126992. Right. And probably from here it comes back here to form up another to go. Then we can see the inverse head and shoulder actually coming up. Okay. Okay. Let's see. Okay. Okay, so it's coming. Right. So it's come. Looks like some. This looks like it's sounding off, right? Okay. So either it will stop around this area to form up the inverse head and shoulder, or it may go down here. Even this is going down to this area. I may miss out the 18 pips, but it has not really give me a very good selling area. So I will choose not to enter. But if you're good at this, of course you may go. Okay, as we can see, there is one area here we may need to pay attention to. Okay, this is the area that it may create. You see from this structure here, the left inverse shoulder, it may come along with the right inverse shoulder for a short-term buy up. Okay, so just be careful with this area here, which stands at about 126,992, 126,992. Okay, just be careful with this area. All right, so that's the reason why I do not want to sell, because it's only about 5 pips, 6 pips, not enough for me to even scalp for 5 pips. Okay, but it also has a possibility that it went down. But so that's why I say if you're good at this, okay, then you can go for the selling. Currently by looking into this, seems like 15 and 30, they are actually, especially 30. No, I think 30. I was thinking about is it creating a lower highs here, but I it gives me there's some hesitation there. So usually when I have hesitation, I choose not to enter. Okay. Usually when I see hesitation, I choose not to enter. Right. So okay, just keep it that way. And anyway, in that case, right. So I will just wait for wait for it to go further up to test onto the resistance to confirm the resistance is there. Okay, then it will, because this has created a very big space now. Right, this wave I'm waiting for it to come in here, but it comes halfway, about 3/4, and it stopped. Correct, 80%. All right, maybe stop here. They're bound to have a reasons. When you look left side, you should know. All right. Then after that, retest this, okay, to form out the resistance. If there's another round of selling, this wave here created one good area of selling. Okay, and that would be about 23 pips. Why not? It's good. Okay. Hi, BK Media. How are you? Wow, nice to see you here. Right, so over at this point here. Okay, so over here, still waiting for it to come in again. All right, if there's another resistance to form up here, we can see some sort of double top here. All right, of course, this don't call a double top anyway, because from this wave is already in the middle. Okay, so I don't call it a double top. For me, I don't call it a double top. All right. Okay, so let's see if there's a chance that it's going to sell down to 126,992. Okay, so it's about here. Right, then after that, it's going to set up. Then it's going to set up some inverse head and shoulder to go further up. Okay. Yep, let's take a look at the goal. Let's take a look at the goal. Why is okay? The goal. Oh, it's coming back. Selling down back here. Test back the support again. Wow, this time round. Oh, this time round. Hi, Carlo. Looks like it's breaking 2020. Looks like it's breaking 2020, huh? Okay. As I read it, looks like it's breaking this the support over here. 2020. 2020 74. Okay. Wow, that looks juicy. Okay, so let's see. Pound dollar still struggling there. We have another 2 minutes. Oh, okay. Yep. And over at this point here, okay, just now our target 2025, we meet up the target. It booms up and it started to swing back again. So with this movement, okay, actually I'm looking at now selling for for the goal, another 10 pips to go to test into the support level. Looks very promising to break below. It looks promising to break below. Let's see. Yeah. Yes, it looks promising. Same thing. Okay, the support is there. Yeah. Yeah, it's fooling around. Okay, so let's move one more line here. As we can see, it's very clear. It should be here. 2020. Okay, so we'll come back here. As you can see, it's here. 2020, 70, about 70. Okay, can we wait at 2008 to 2013? You are going to buy up. You are going to buy up 2008 down here, you know, or you are going to hold it down to this area. I guess if you're going to hold it down to this area, let's wait. Let's see if this is going to break first. Okay, break 2020, 2068, 2068. Okay. Yep, 2068. Yeah. Likely it's going to test the daily opening. Daily opener, which will be up here. Okay. So yeah, if this holds, then probably we'll be moving upwards to look out for the daily opening. Yeah. Pound dollar. Okay, we are coming into the area here. We are coming to this area here, 126,992, which we had just mentioned earlier on here. Now it's getting obvious, right? When we swing down, can we see the structure here? Inverse head and shoulder. It this is going to set up a support, you can see the head and shoulder is actually coming in. Then, yeah, I think it will go further up. Okay, I think it will go further up. Right. Okay. Either this or actually here. Let's see if this is going to break below and sell off, then I miss this trade. Okay. Okay, so just be careful here. If we are generally, I still see pound dollar should be on the selling side. It's just that it did not come to a point where it's in my plan, okay, to sell. Okay, so I stick strictly to my plan. Stu bond trader, Stu bond trader, huh? Okay, right. I'm a Stu bond trader. All right, I'm a Stu bond trader. When the plan don't comes in, I don't trade. All right, let's see if that works. Okay, if this works as a inverse head and shoulder, allow it to go up first. All right, then after that, creating more space down to sell. Isn't that better? I think that would be better for me. For the goal wise, oh, tested once, touches. Again, sometimes when we touch, honesty is too much. Okay, over here. All right. Okay, so yep. Right. Wow, next 007 is you. Okay. Right. Okay, over here. Then I have to go to that island called James Bond Island. Can I see you that view? Right, hang on. Okay, looks like we are stopping here already. Okay. Okay, how about the go? Tested once. Okay, let's see. 1 minute to go. Yeah, 15 is also coming. Okay. James. All right. Monday is always so, looks like it's always, the heat is always not there, you know. All right. Tomorrow, I think tomorrow the heat will be there. Okay. Let's wait for a little while. Okay, let's wait for a little while and see. All right. Will it actually move into my plan where they actually set up the support to become inverse head and shoulder so they continue to move further up? I'm a seller. I want to sell. Yeah. So I wish to see more buying. Okay. Okay. So I wish to see more buying. Okay. Right. Then hang on. Okay, it stopped here as a support. Okay, let's see how's the next one to move. Well, 15. Well, 15 over here, the closure. Let's see. 15 candles here. Well, just right at the spot here. Probably we'll be looking at 126.97 now. 126.97 thereabout. Yeah. Okay. Then let's wait for a little while to see how it goes. Right. Okay. For pound dollar, I'm a seller, so I want to sell, right? Okay, so I want to wait for it to achieve a resistance level, then where the key levels to sell off. This move is to take out this area here. So we can see this area has been taken, not fully taken out yet. Okay, so they may still have a chance. That that's one of the factors I'm considering. So by looking at this, then after they start forming down into this area, I start to see some inverse head and shoulder structure is coming in. So in this case, I choose not to sell yet. Okay, although there's a nice move here. Okay, to create the liquidity to sell down. However, there isn't any good selling points for me to enter a trade, so I prefer to wait. Okay, so let's say it really went down, then I take it as a missed. Okay, so just the whole story is to keep the trading structure intact with the discipline. So I don't want to take chance and to spoil my trading structure. Oh, okay. Yeah, so that's one. Okay. Yeah, so just need to pay attention to how it moves first. All right. Yeah. For the goal wise, let's take a look M15. So close with testing over here. Right, we can see it tested the support here. So will it actually, now the support is here. Just now we are talking about it, right? When we shrink down, we can see pump, 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 pump. Okay. Yep. The whole area here. Right. So, and in this case over here, will it actually still be resistant below the 50 EMAs here? Okay. Then or it will start to boom up. As the structure you can see, seems like there's a double bottom here into this area of support. Okay, when double bottom, double top, it must come in the key levels. Okay, so these are the key levels. 20, 20, 68 is the key levels here. All right. So we can see throughout, these are all the supports. So likely, okay, it may start to boom up. And later on, maybe when it achieves the resistance, then the selling may comes back. But of course, I mean, for now, the buying is still quite promising. When there's a small little pullback, it's inevitable. It must have a pullback to set up a higher support to push even higher. Correct? Yeah. So when it comes to selling, don't fall into the trap. Right? Oh, the selling is coming. All right. Unless okay, there's a real good selling entry there, or the structure is there, then we will go for the selling. Okay, right. But tentatively, by looking into this area here, looks like it's still looks like the support is still into this area here. Right. For selling wise, if 2020 it breaks below 2020 to form out another selling downwards, a lower high selling structure, okay, I will say that this area will be very promising. Okay, this area will become promising to sell. Okay, so that's for the goal. Okay, yeah, right. Okay, yeah, it's bleak here today. Bleak. Okay, so let's see if this pound dollar will go with our plans to form up the inverse head and shoulder to go higher up. Hopefully. Hopefully, yeah. Yes. Okay, so now we have a continuity. Looks like this structure or the pound dollar. It looks like they are having another continuity to sell off, but please remember, please be careful that this area it may become the structure of inverse head and shoulder area, which means this can be a support. Okay, which means this can be a support. Then in the end, we may get stuck if we are selling. By selling this, we may get stuck into this level of 126.97. Then we may be going around the world with a roller coaster, then back here again. Right. So just be patient to wait. Don't sell with all this red candle inducing you. Ooh, come on, come and sell, come and sell. No, no, no. Okay, all right. Wait, just wait. All right, just wait. Okay. All right, hang on, hang on. Okay, so it's common. Yeah, it's common to wait. Especially today is Monday. Not surprised that we have only 1 or 2 rounds. Then after that, the heat suddenly dies off. You see, all right. So it's okay. We just need to wait for a while. Okay, to find the best entry. The good. We need to go into the good. We need to go into the key levels. All right, that allow the price to form something at, around the key levels before we actually go for the selling. So a lot of times, like now pound dollar, we taken the profits just now, and now it suddenly lose out the steam, correct? So it's steam off. So no more selling. Then we look at the structure. So buyers, if you want to buy, not recommended as well, is because you don't have enough space to capture your profits, unless you are a very super scalper with only 1 or 2 pips. Okay, which I don't encourage because it doesn't serve any purpose. Okay, so for me, for this situation, okay, it doesn't serve any purpose for a buyout. Okay, because we don't have enough space. Okay, we don't have enough space. All right, so if you are good at scalping 1 or 2, 2 to 5, okay, maybe we have about 8 pips, just nice, which I don't recommend. Okay, which I don't recommend. So sometimes when we are trading, we need to look into factors like this. Okay, we need to look into factors like this. All right. Okay, so as for the goal wise, let's take a look. Okay, looks like it's still there. Everything's moving slow now, slowing down because of H4 is opening for the currency here, pound dollar. Okay, then let's see how's the pound dollar is going to move. Okay, so probably looks like you see inverse, left shoulder head and the right shoulder is coming. Correct? So this may even be the target, as you can see. Guys, you still remember I'm talking about the shaded area. Alright, so this, can you see all this shaded area? Okay, we still have some to be taken out. And here, shaded area still have plenty to go. Correct? We still have plenty to go. So probably once it's taken out, become a double top up there, taking out the highs, then probably swing back down to take the lows. Okay. Yeah. So that is why I'm not selling at the moment, especially within this whole area, and we are forming up certain things, certain structures that this allowed me to sell. Okay, forbid me to sell. Okay, forbid me from selling, and I will choose not to take action for buying and selling. Buying because not enough space, selling is because of the structure. So I choose not to. Okay. We have 5 minutes to go. Right, let's take a look at the goal. Wow, seems like the goal. Looks like the goal really. I'm still looking at the goal. It looks like the goal is still trying to break the support here. I'm still looking at this that is still trying to break the support. Okay. Yeah. Pound dollar. Okay. So we expect some pullback. So the low is here, higher low is here. Probably, yeah, we'll be looking into 127, 1270.80, 1270.80. Okay, so that this area, okay, this area, it may break even higher or to close right around this area to form that resistance. So there may be a good chance of selling. There may be a good chance of selling. Right. Okay. Yeah. So yes, evening star. What evening star? We are talking about this area. Let's keep it simple first. Okay, Sabrina. Okay. Yeah. So let's see if this is going to achieve 127, 170, 127, 080. Okay. One 127,080. Right. And how about the goal? Like the goal is going. Okay, hang on first. I think Carol, are you waiting? Are you waiting just like me waiting for like pound dollar? Okay. Okay, let's wait for a little while. Okay, let's see. It's moving towards the target. Anybody buy? Cowboy, Bradley, did you buy? uh, I took a short nap. You took a short nap. Wow, okay. Alright. So is my voice over there is a good lullaby to you? Did you sleep well, my dear? Okay. Right. So looks like yeah, it's approaching to our plans, according to our plans for the pound dollar. How about the gold? The gold, I still see that the gold there's a good chance of taking 2020. They are still trying to take 2020. You know, 9 pips away, about 9 pips away, about 9 pips away from here. Trying to work on the selling. Well, 1 minute to go. H4 is going to open. All right, I did not expect too much from London after Asia. 130 pips move. Okay. Yeah. Okay, so from here, I can see, okay, at this point here. Pound dollar. Okay, H4. Let's wait. Right. Okay, H4 has opened. Let's take a look. How's the H4 closed? Right, the H4 closed this way with this long wick down here. It shows the buyers are quite strong for the past 4 hours. Well, also creating the liquidity down there to be taken, but we need a good resistance before we can go on the selling. Okay, so there may be another chance. Okay, there may be another chance that we can what we are going to see for the pound dollar. Okay, pound dollar close up this way in the H1. All right, I still see this area. So this area to be taken. Yeah, 127, 118. There's still some there, some to be taken out to form a resistance before it started selling. Okay, so will it actually start the selling right now from here? You will say if this is going to sell off to create now you see the inverse head and shoulder. It seems like it's created right, but it did not complete. So it can be another form of lower highs here, correct? So maybe breaking out of this, and they are coming down to take this area here, right? But do remember on the structure into this level. Okay, it can be dangerous if you are selling. Okay, of course it can break in certain point at certain point. Okay, but based on what you see, okay, then you trade with what you see. All right. So for now, there may be a chance, but the higher chance is the support is there. So we are selling near to the support. Okay, we are selling near to the support. So not really a good selling area. Okay, so if I want to sell, I want to wait for it to go up first into this whole area to take out the highs here. Okay, or to at least hit a very minimum must hit this area 127.118, this area here to form a resistance. Then I will look out for selling. All right. Okay. Ultimately, I'm still looking for this area 126.821, 126.821. Okay. Yeah, that's one. All right. That's for the pound dollar. Okay. So for the gold wise, we'll just stick with the plan here. Okay. But I'm looking out into like the movement is a bit like going to break the support of 2068. So if not, the support is still there, then very likely we can still see some buying up is there. The buying is very promising, honestly. If the support able to hold at 2020.68. Okay, 2020.68. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. All right. So that should be all for now. All right, guys. Today I know a little bit boring, but as a trader in the trading market, we should get used to this. Okay, we still have to go through this. Yeah, not every day is Sunday, am I right? Okay, so we just bear with it today. At least we know, even though we did not take any trade or we take only one, all right, we take only one trade with profits, but be patient. Okay, tomorrow may be better. Okay, so that's my plan. That's just now my plan. I already spelled out for the New York session. When it comes in, let's see if there's a chance for us to sell. Okay. Yep. All right. So I guess that should be all for today. I will be right back tomorrow. Not right back. I'll be back tomorrow. Okay, guys. So thank you so much for today. All right. I shall wish you good luck in your trading in the New York session with bountiful profits again. All right, without fear. Okay, and shall see you tomorrow to share with me your good news. Okay, right. So do remember to smash the like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel. All right, and also to join in our Discord channel if you wish to have some discussion there. All right. Okay, so thank you so much, guys. This is Eric Day from ACS Learning Hub, and I shall see you tomorrow. Okay, thank you so much, guys. Good luck.